Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix a fin box. It's my friend's board and he broke it surfing, so I'm going to fix it. So first step is cleaning up the broken fiberglass. The fin's right here, it came right out. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to sand and get a blade. So the two things you're going to need is a blade, razor blade, and some sandpaper. Pretty simple fix. Just go around the broken fiberglass. Clean it up. Get your sandpaper. Okay. Now let's see if it fits. Okay, next step is to clean up the actual fin. Should just go around the box, take off this old resin so it fits in there smoothly. Okay, now I'm just gonna get some sandpaper and go around the old fin box. Clean it up so it fits in there nicely. As soon as it's all cleaned up, go ahead and check if it fits correctly. Might be the other way. There we go. Fits good. I'm gonna put some resin in there, hold it in, and then put some fiberglass over it. So next we're gonna mix the resin with some hardener in it. It's red hardener, so it'll make the resin red, but it'll be underneath, so it's basically the glue. So we're gonna have to use 2 cups, and then the second one will be just pure white. So first you'll see a little bit of resin. That's all you need, just a little bit. Probably 1 drop of hardener. Just stir it up. Okay. Okay, Dad, just get some tape. Go over.
You're listening to 90.9 FM, the new home for
the actual holes for the fins. So this is where you get your old fiberglass. Okay, so I got 2 pieces now, a bigger one and one just the size of the actual fin box. So first you start out, you put a little bit more resin in here, put some gloves on. Okay, so first one, set it right there, or actually, put a little down first. Okay, set this down. Put a little bit on there. Okay, now that it's there, pick up everything and then bring it outside for a sun cure. Let it cure for a few minutes until it's tacky, and then I'm gonna go around with the blade, try to cut it out. Okay, let it dry for at least a couple minutes. That's actually dry. Now I'm gonna come back and hit it with a sander. Here, I'm just doing some more hand sanding around the holes. You want to get it as flat as you can because the hot coat will get a little thicker, and you want the fin to stay flush with the board. Okay, I'm applying the hot coat. Just to cover it, you don't want it to be too thick. What a hot coat does is it like hardens, like makes it smooth. It's what you usually feel on a surfboard instead of that tacky fiberglass and resin. So you can put wax on it too. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it back outside and let it dry, sand it, done. Okay. Alright, so it's pretty dry. I'm going to get my razor blade. Pull it out. Okay, it's dry now. Sand it down. So just use a lower grid, and that's what I'm gonna go do. Okay, I have thinner sandpaper or lower or higher grid. So I'm just gonna finish sanding. Move around. There you go. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.